Phong Nha is known for its caves and its limestone mountains. Not sure if it actually are limestone, but do I say that right? Anyway, they're famous for their mountains, and Phong Nha in Vietnam is housing the biggest cave known in the world. You can go there, but you have to make a pre-booking, and as far as I know, to do like the big tour, it's fully booked this year already. So if you want to go to see the, and don't mind if I say the name wrong, the Son Dum cave, you have to be really in time with your booking. Man, I love these small towns, small villages, the smaller cities, and the rural areas as well. I stay in Phong Nha just for a rest. I didn't go to the caves. I will come back another time for the caves, but I did go around the town and the village, and I wasn't expecting those views, you know. I didn't even know that Phong Nha was still like an elevated area. Not that much, you know. I thought it was more like just like these mountains, and not like you go up and down and have like the crazy stuff, you know. Quite impressive. So I just did just like a little loop around. So quite a few places I will put it in. I didn't bring my camera out, so I just shot it with my phone. So maybe the quality isn't as good as using my cam, but still the views, you know, it's quite nice. Only downside was the river flowing through. It got like brownish because of the pretty heavy rainfall the last few days in Phong Nha as well. So when I first arrived, it was not it didn't rain much yet, so the river was like a little blue, like turquoise, what's that, you know. And the next morning I woke up, I saw the river, I thought, yep, it rained heavy last night, and it did. So yeah, you can see how quickly things can change around in these weathers. I just spoke with some of my local friends, and they saw the previous video. They said, oh, you're so crazy, you drive on the left side in the road, like this. And I said, yeah, well, that's how we learn these things when you take your driving exam and everything, when you take your driving lessons on the motorbike. But then again, when it's like heavy traffic or busy roads, it's definitely more safe to drive on this side as far as you can go. I mean, not too far, because it's all garbage on this side with gravel and everything. But when it's in good conditions, when it's not too heavy traffic, you drive on the left side because you make yourself more visible. man. Little dogs on the street, they're just always chilling. Gotta love it. I needed to change my plans yesterday. It rained so much. Well, not like heavy raining, but just continuously. There was no fun riding, there were no views, it was cold, like actually really cold. And it was already in the afternoon, like 3 in the afternoon. So I just wanted to get to some place and not just be riding. Also because I had to leave late yesterday because in the morning it also rained in Phong Nha. So that's why. Finally getting some views again. That's just the way how it goes. You want to get your spot on the road, you gotta claim it. Oh, I love it. Oh, not sure if you saw it, but he got splashed. Wow. He got splashed. That's not sweet of him. That's one way to move your cow. Yeah, in Vietnam you can basically move everything by motorbike. Really impressive how most people can do this stuff, you know. Sometimes they are completely packed, and then I wonder how they can even control these motorbikes still, you know. That is really crazy.